Hello friends! Welcome back to Zoonitoons. Today is going to be super exciting because we are drawing our favorite friends from the show Bluey. Grab your sharpest pencils and your brightest colors because we are about to get creative together. If you have any questions while we draw, or if you want to tell us what character you want me to draw in the next video, please tell us in the comments below. We love reading your messages. Let's start with everyone's favorite blue heeler dog. It's Bluey. First, draw a big, tall rectangle shape for her body and head. Can you make it nice and straight? Next, we need to add 2 pointy triangles on top for her listening ears and a curved snout for her nose so she can sniff out adventures. Now, let's give her 2 big, happy oval eyes and a wide, smiling mouth. Do you think Bluey is happy to see us today? Finally, carefully draw her arms and legs with her hands waving high in the air, just like she is saying a big hello to all of you. Now it is time to color Bluey, so tell me, is blue your favorite color? We need a nice, bright blue marker for most of her body. Let's switch to a lighter blue color for the patches on her tummy and the tips of her paws. Make sure you stay inside the lines. We will color the inside of her ears a light tan color, and don't forget to make her nose a solid black color. She looks absolutely fantastic. Our Bluey is all colored in and looks ready to play a fun game of Keepy Uppy. Next up is Bluey's friend Honey the Beagle. Start by drawing the round shape of her head and her long, floppy ears hanging down. Draw 2 big round circles for her glasses right in the middle of her face. Do you wear glasses, or do you know someone who does? Add her cute little black nose and a happy little smile peeking out from the side of her face. Finish up by drawing her long body, her little legs, and her tail wagging behind her. She looks like she is waiting for a treat. Let's bring Honey to life with some color. Her fur is mostly white, so we'll leave those parts blank. That makes coloring easy, right? Use a light brown or tan color for the big patch on her back, her ears, and the tip of her tail. Now, grab a bright blue color for the frames of her cool glasses. What color would you choose if you had glasses like honey? Great job, friends! Honey looks so smart and adorable with her colorful glasses and soft fur. Now let's draw the fabulous pink poodle, Coco. Start with a big, fluffy cloud shape for the hair on top of her head. Doesn't it look soft? Draw her long, thin snout, her eyes with pretty eyelashes, and a sweet smile. Coco is always so happy. Add more fluffy cloud shapes for the fur on her long ears, her chest, and the puff on the end of her tail. Connect all the fluffy parts with her slender legs and body. Make sure to draw her standing tall and proud. Coco is all about the color pink. Let's use a bright, happy pink for all her super fluffy fur balls. Who here loves the color pink? Use a slightly lighter pink crayon for her face, her body, and her legs to show the difference in her fur. Add a little blue color to the bow in her hair. It's a small detail, but it makes her look very fancy. Wow, Coco looks so stylish and fluffy. You are doing an excellent job making these characters come to life. Last but not least, it's Bluey's little sister, Bingo. Draw a rectangular shape just like Bluey's for her. Body and head, can you do it one more time? Add her pointy ears, her eyes looking to the side, and her cute little nose. I wonder what Bingo is looking at? Draw her mouth with a little smirk, like she's thinking of a fun game to play with her dad, Bandit. Finally, add her arms and legs. Make sure her feet look like she is standing firmly on the ground. Let's color Bingo. She isn't blue like her sister. She is a red heeler, so we need a warm orange-brown color for her fur. Use a lighter yellow or cream color for the patches on her tummy and paws. Do you think Bingo and Bluey look alike? Color her snout a darker brown and the inside of her ears a light tan to finish her face. Perfect! Now Bingo is ready to join the fun with all her friends. Which character was your favorite to draw today? You did an amazing job today, artists! Look at our awesome drawings of Bluey, Honey, Coco, and Bingo all together. Thanks for watching Zoonitoons. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and remember to leave a comment telling us your favorite color and what you want to draw next. See you next time for more art fun.